DJLS. The video that you are about to watch are from the people that made me extra special. They never fail to support my live stream, any event that I have, which is I'm really grateful for their support. Team Ohio, thank you so much. And of course, the first birthday greetings I had were from the people babes, and of course the influencers sa Labsan Snack Choco Joy and Nakagisi, and of course Marcy G and si Kuya Ilian. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. So guys, let's watch this. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, Miga Love shoutout. This is Chichay Waray Waray. So yan guys, meron na naman tayong babatiin na isang kaibigan natin sa YT World. Ayan, ang napakabait, ayan, humble and generous na kaibigan natin sa YT. Walang iba kundi ang founder ng Team Usi na si Ate Ronzi of Vlog. So yan, Ate Ronzi, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life, good health, happiness, and more blessing to you and to your family, and more power to your YouTube channel. So, ayan, congratulations in advance. I'm sure your birthday GLS is going to be successful. And thank you so much for sharing your blessings to others. And sana marami pang blessings ang dumating sa iyo at sa family mo. So, ayan, thank you so much sa support mo lagi sa amin at sa mga admins ko at sa, of course, sa members ko. So, thank you so much. And hopefully, you had a good birthday. Ayan. Kasi belated na birthday na, diba? So, but anyways, enjoy your grand live stream and congratulations. And more power to your YouTube channel. And always take care and God bless.
Hello guys, Miga Love shoutout. Ay, may nais lang po akong batiin ngayong araw. And happy birthday po Ate Ronzi. More birthdays to come. And stay healthy always. Ayan, thank you so much sa support niyo sa amin ng Team Ohio. Ayan, mag 2 years na tayong kilala. Sana magtagal pa po tayo. Nandito lang po kami lagi ngayon, Nel. Kami pong bahala sa channel mo pag busy ka po. Ayan. Thank you so much po sa mag 2 years na samahan. Ayan. Hindi man po hindi man perfecto, at least nandito pa rin po tayo magkakasama. Ayan. Ingat ka po palagi sa daan kasi lagi ka pong nasa biyahe. And stay safe always, Ate Ronzi. Mahal na mahal ka namin. And we love you, Ate Ronzi. And happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
And guys, gusto ko lang po batiin si Nina ng happy birthday. Wish all the best nila. And God bless you all. Huwag nang pabayaan yung sarili mo. Katawan lang natin yung kung ano natin. Ano ka ba? Pasensya ka na ako. Nag-busy ako. Love you and miss na kita. Love you Nina. Happy birthday. It's me ulit. Love you Nina. And bye-bye.
Hi, Miga Love shoutout everyone. And for today's video guys, meron lang tayo babatiin na sa pusinan. Langod daw ko si Ate Ronzi Oslat. And Ate Ronzi, happy birthday po. Ayan, wish ko lang. Sana marami pang birthday and good health. Di ba magpapagawa sa iyo and sana marami kang pang makilala and also gusto ko rin bigyan pasalamat sa tiwala na binibigay niyo po sa amin, lalo na sa support. And maraming salamat po kahit busy po kayo lagi, andyan lang kayo para sa amin. And thank you so much Ate Ronsie, and advance congratulations po sa event mo. And sana dumating ang time na makakasama-sama tayo ulit at yung team ang Balloons. And maraming salamat and congratulations